that is more community-based, more rooted in our cultural identity. So this is the Filipino version of The Tortoise and the Hare, Isa Dalawa Takbo, which will be shown in International School Manila on Friday. So thank you all so much for coming today. Kayo ang aming first audience. So I won't delay it anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Isa Dalawa Takbo. Yay!
Dalawa, tatlo, padya! Ay, naku, malakas na padya! At, nakakagaling! Ito naman, isa, dalawa, tatlo, woohoo! Nakasan niyo ba, no? Woohoo! Ngayon naman, isa, dalawa, tatlo, lahat tayo!